Group the animals. The first group is vertebrates. The second group is invertebrates. We can group animals by skeleton, first, vertebrates. Vertebrates have a backbone. Next, invertebrates. Invertebrates have no backbone. So, there are two groups. The first group is vertebrates. Birds, lizards, frogs, fish, and dolphins are vertebrates. They have a backbone. The second group is invertebrates. Snails, jellyfish, and grasshoppers are invertebrates. They have no backbone.